So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to my channel Mr. Lazy Tech, and this video is all about the comparison between the Boat Rockers 450 wireless headphones with the recently launched Infinity Glide 500 wireless headphones. So इन दोनों का प्राइस 1500 रुपीज़ है and Infinity Glide 500 पे ऑलरेडी मैं एक वीडियो बना चुका हूँ. If you want to watch that video, you can just click the link given over here and watch it from there. So in this video, first of all, I'll let you know about the specifications of Boat Rockers 450 and then we'll compare with the Infinity Glide 500 and we'll see which one is better and which one you should buy. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So here you can see these are the Boat Rockers 450 and अगर हम इसके डिज़ाइन की बात करें तो they have given a plastic material over here, as well as the ear cups are also larger in size, so it can fit easily over your ears, and ये lightweight है, so that is a plus point. And इसमें आपको aux connectivity मिल जाएगी if you don't want to use these headphones wireless, so you can just connect the aux and play it wired as well. So both characters are given over here, the dual characters, so that is a plus point. ये भी flippable है, means you can just carry them in a compact way. Fold करके आप इनको flip करके you can just carry them wherever you want in a compact way as well. And अगर specifications की बात करें, you'll be getting approximately 8 to 10 hours of battery backup, playback time with this one, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. इसमें Bluetooth version they have given is V version 4.2. एंड इसमें साउंड क्वालिटी भी इसकी अच्छी है. ओवरऑल दे हैव गिवन अ वेरी डिसेंट साउंड क्वालिटी एंड बेस भी इसका अबव एवरेज है. बेकार बेस नहीं बोलेंगे, ना ही बहुत अच्छा बोलेंगे, बट दे हैव गिवन अबव एवरेज बेस क्वालिटी, सो दैट इज अ गुड थिंग. सो दिस वर द फीचर्स ऑफ द Boat Rockers 450 एंड नाउ इफ वील कंपेयर विद द Boat Rockers 450 with the Infinity Glide 500. So here you can see comparing the Infinity Glide 500 with the Boat Rockers 450. You won't be getting any aux connectivity with the Infinity Glide 500. Only wireless option is there, but you'll be getting both the connectivities, wireless as well as wired option with the Boat Rockers 450. They have given an aux option as well. And battery backup की बात करें, you'll be getting 20 hours of battery backup, up to 20 hours of battery backup with the Infinity Glide 500, but only 8 hours of battery backup with the Boat Rockers 450. And quick charging option is also there with the Infinity Glide 1. You'll be getting 2 hours of battery backup with only 10 minutes of charging, so that is a plus point, but no quick charging option is there with the Boat Rockers 450. So both are foldable, you can just flip them or fold them and carry them wherever you want in a compact way. And Bluetooth connectivity की बात करें, you'll be getting 5.0 version with the Infinity Glide 500 and 4.2 version with the Boat Rockers 450. And with the Infinity Glide 500 they have given the dual equalizer mode, but there is no dual equalizer mode with the Boat one. As well as deep bass option is also there with the Infinity One. Means bass इसका बहुत ही अच्छा है Infinity Glide 500 का comparable to the Boat Rockers 450. You'll be getting average bass or more than average bass with the Boat Rockers 450. And voice assistance feature is also there with the Infinity Glide. You can just assist your headphone with the voice integration feature, but there is no voice integration feature with the Boat Rockers 450. And both are priced at approximately 1500 rupees. So this was the comparison between the Infinity Glide 500 with the Boat Rockers 450. So clearly accord means coming to the final verdict from my end. If you are planning to buy a headphone and आपका price 1500 or less than that है, you can definitely go with the Infinity Glide 500. But अगर आपको एक से एक प्लस पॉइंट दिख रहा है आपको Boat Rockers 450 में, दैट इज द aux कनेक्टिविटी. aux कनेक्टिविटी भी मीन्स अगर आपको वायरलेस और वायर्ड ऑप्शन चाहिए, यू कैन गो विद द Boat Rockers 450. अदरवाइज इंक्लूडिंग द बेस क्वालिटी, साउंड क्वालिटी, बैटरी बैकअप हुआ, वॉइस असिस्टेंस फीचर हुआ, ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टिविटी हुई, ब्लूटूथ का वर्जन हुआ, ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट में आपको Infinity Glide 500 मीन्स आगे है Boat Rockers 450 से. So according to me, if you are planning to buy a headphone, definitely go with the Infinity Glide 500. Don't keep any other option apart from the aux one. If you are planning to buy a headphone with the aux connectivity, then you can go with the Boat Rockers 450. So I'm also leaving the link in the description below for both the headphones. So it's totally your decision which one to opt for. So this was a comparison. So hope you like this one. And as I told you, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one and see you in the next video. Thank you.